Welcome back to Right Style TV. Today's video is a simple syrup, and this syrup, all you need is 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. You also need a small container and a spoon. Okay, I'm gonna start now. So, on medium heat, you place the container on the stove. Pour in the cup of water. Then you pour the cup of sugar. And you stir gently until the sugar is dissolved, and the liquid thickens. That's how simple it is. This syrup can be used for sweetening many drinks. It can also be used for glazing pastry. It can be used in preparing alcoholic liquors in bars or at home. I'll get back to you after it's cooled and bottling it. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, the simple syrup is finished, and I'm gonna put it in this bottle, this container, this glass container, which I'll place in my refrigerator. And whenever I need to get some syrup, I just go for that bottle and get the syrup. Get the syrup. I'm gonna pour it in the bottle now. This came out to 1.5 cups of liquid, from 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. I'm gonna seal it, and I have a section on the lid here where I can put the date I made it. This will last for a very long time, and this is the syrup, nice and sweet. You can use it for all the purposes I mentioned. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.